This is the second part of the Jasmine rice pudding. I hope you all did your rice last night so we can finish it up today. All right, let's get right to the ingredients. Here in this bowl here, I have 3 large eggs that I'm going to beat. Not really frothy. I'm gonna say we're going to beat it for about 2 minutes with a wire whisk. Here I have, I know, I just stuck it in a jar. This is sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to use about a cup of this. All right. Here we have nutmeg, Vietnamese cinnamon, and I have, ooh, I had to really breathe on this one, you guys. It was pretty expensive, but it will last me through the year. The Madagascar and Mexican pure vanilla extract. Okay, here I have evaporated milk, and we're going to shake it up and use the whole can. Also here I have 1/2 stick of melted butter, and of course I have the 1 cup of rice, which yielded, let me move this out the way, which yielded 3 cups. Okay, that's the rice that you guys were supposed to do last night and put in the refrigerator. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to whip the eggs up. I'm going to add the sweetened condensed milk, again about a cup of that. Then I'll come back and show you guys what we will do next. Sorry, that's a paper towel. I'm always, liking to make sure my hands are clean. All right, I'll be right back. If I included the raisins, this is a cup of raisins. And the reason I got the organic raisins, they are a lot softer and the flavor is more pronounced to me. But again, a cup of raisins. Family, this is how your eggs should look. Took the wire whisk and I just kind of beat it like that, you see? And now what we're going to do, we're going to add a cup of the Eagle brand milk. Okay, we're going to give that a nice stir. Now remember, we're not going to use any sugar in this because we're using the Eagle brand milk. Okay. And I did show you the pet milk. We're going to use the entire can. Okay, next we're going to put the cinnamon and nutmeg in. That was 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Just want to give this a really nice stir. Okay, let me stir this up. I'm needing both hands. I'll come back and show you guys what's next. Okay, after I added the eggs, the condensed milk, the cinnamon, and the nutmeg, I put the rice in, which should be 3 cups. And now what we're going to do, we're going to take the melted butter. I'm going to pour that in. Okay. Next we're going to take the cup of raisins and put that in. And also preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and I'm using an 8x8 baking dish for this recipe. We're going to stir this up really well, and then at the end we're going to add the entire can of the evaporated milk. Let me get this stirred up. I'll come back, put the milk in, then we'll put this baby in the oven, and it's going to bake probably 25 to 30 minutes uncovered. Okay, I used 3/4 of the 12 fluid ounces of pet evaporated milk, and I poured it into the dish. I want you guys to see this. You know, I'm all about presentation. I think this dish is some kind of beautiful. Okay, so we're just gonna spread the rice out, and we're gonna sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. Again, we're gonna bake 25 to 30 minutes, and when I come back, we will have the final presentation. And remember to cook it uncovered. All right, see you guys in a bit. Okay, Raw family, here is the finished product of the Jasmine rice pudding. It is extremely creamy and the flavor is off the chain. Now, one thing I will say, I would like it sweeter, but I'm really trying to cut back on sugar. So for me, I would probably add maybe 1/3 cup of sugar plus the 1/2 cup of Eagle brand milk. That's just my preference, but I'll put it in the description box below and then you can decide. But let me show you guys. This bowl stop. I'm always trying to get, look at this, you guys. You see that? You see the creaminess? I mean, some type of delicious. All right, I'm going in. Hold on. I don't know, you guys. The more it cools, the sweeter it gets. But anyway, this is the Jasmine rice pudding. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. Please leave a comment below and tell me what you think of the recipe. I will say this, once it comes out of the oven, please let it rest for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Please share and subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And until next time, I will see you guys later. All right, let me try to get just one more again. You know, I'm always saying one more again. Check that out. See that? Oh, yum. God bless you guys.